This is the leak that changes everything. Since the iPhone X debuted the notch in 2017, we've been waiting for this moment. The pill-shaped cutout? History. The dynamic island? Dead. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro, and it will finally deliver the uninterrupted display. Why now? Because Apple reportedly cracked the most difficult technical puzzle in the smartphone world, hiding the essential Face ID sensors completely under the screen. But the way they did it is shocking, and the final look is already making people furious. So, let's look at the tech and how did they pull this off? For a long time, the screen pixels blocked the Face ID sensors. But new reports from the supply chain revealed that Apple has invented a breakthrough technology involving a top-secret material called the Micro-Transmittance Glass. Think of it like a piece of paper that looks solid to your eye, but is actually full of tiny holes that only the infrared light can see through. Apple is pairing this new glass with powerful AI software that compensates for any light loss. The result? A power boost of over 40% for the sensors. That single jump is why the notch is finally unnecessary. It sounds like a dream come true for Apple fans, right? Well, wait until you see the final design they chose. With the sensors hidden, the iPhone 18 Pro is getting rid of the center pill cutout entirely. What are we getting instead? A single camera hole moved to the top left corner. This is where the outrage starts. People are immediately calling it too Android. Android phones have had this tech for years, and the internet is going crazy. Fans are furious, arguing that the asymmetrical design ruins the sleek, clean look Apple is known for. It looks lazy, cheap, and definitely not like the premium phone we're paying for. The question is, why did they choose an Android look now? It's simple, technical limits. But if you were hoping the standard iPhone 18 would save you, think again. This cutting-edge micro-transmittance glass is reportedly exclusive to the expensive Pro models. If you buy the standard iPhone 18, you are stuck with last year's dynamic island. And the division doesn't stop there. This is where the story gets really dramatic. Apple is reportedly breaking its 15-year tradition and splitting the launch dates. The iPhone 18 Pro and a highly anticipated foldable iPhone using new liquid metal hinges are targeting the usual fall 2026 release. But the standard iPhone 18 and the budget 18e model are being pushed way back to spring 2027. Apple is doing this because the new glass is causing major trouble in the factories, which brings up some big risks. There are serious, high-stake risks behind the scenes. The Micro-Transmittance Glass is introducing massive headaches for suppliers like Samsung and LG, mainly around two things: color consistency and drop resistance. The screen has to look perfect, but those microscopic holes make manufacturing difficult. If the screens fail quality checks, or if the factory can't produce enough perfect panels, Apple has a clear, depressing plan B. They will instantly abandon the hidden Face ID tech and shrink the dynamic island slightly. The pressure is on, because if this fails, the iPhone 18 launch will be remembered as an embarrassing flop. But if they win, it unlocks the dream iPhone. But if the technology holds up, the reward is massive. This is the roadmap to the phone of the future. The old dynamic island UI could evolve into a truly draggable, floating mini window that developers can actually use. And this is just the beginning. If this technology becomes successful, the iPhone 19 will finally hide the selfie camera too. We are looking at the path to the iPhone 20, the true perfect slab of glass that Steve Jobs envisioned decades ago. The question is, are you willing to deal with the ugly corner punch hole and the massive launch delay just to get there? Let me know in the comments if this corner punch hole ruins the entire phone for you. However, these are very early stage leaks and may change as we move closer to the launch. But do make sure you're subscribed for the next wave of leaks to stay ahead of the tech curve. And click here to watch the latest leak video about the iPhone Fold. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.